everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, it's a video after a long time, so I'm so excited I'm posting one. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to apply fake eyelashes. And no, I'm not talking about the glue ones because they are so difficult to apply. I'm talking about the magnetic eyelashes that you can apply with magnetic eyeliner, and it's so easy because you can put a magnetic eyeliner and put the lashes on top of it. So I think it's a really good way of going from plain to glam in just a matter of a couple of minutes. And especially I haven't put any eye makeup right now because I just wanted to demonstrate that if you don't want to put any eye makeup, you can just put in those lashes and you're ready to go. So yes, like I said, it's going to be a very quick video. So without further ado, let's get started on the tutorial part. So I'm starting with the magnetic eyeliner. It's from Kiss, and I don't have the mirror with me, so I'm using the phone front camera to apply the eyeliner. Again, you apply your eyeliner based on your preferred level of thickness. I don't like it really thick, so I'm just using the medium level of thickness. And you have to wait a minute for the eyeliner to settle. And once the minute is done, you want to use your lashes, again, curve it a little bit so it fits your eyes and just attach it. It just sticks itself, being magnetic in nature. And you repeat the same thing for your other eye and wait a minute and just attach your lashes on top of it. You want to adjust it so it completely fits along the contour of your eyes, and then you finish up with the mascara. So that was all about the video. You saw that in 2 minutes we were able to apply these fake eyelashes and go from plain to glam, and again with barely their eye makeup. So I hope you found this video useful, and next time when you want to go out and you want to apply fake eyelashes, you can just go ahead and apply magnetic eyelashes. And once again, those were the eyelashes that I used from Kiss. Again, a drugstore product. Again, Kiss eyelashes, Kiss eyeliner. But you could also order magnetic eyelashes from Amazon or anywhere, right? So but I think I find it really convenient to just go to our neighborhood pharmacy store and pick it up. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And again, here are my Instagram handles. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you all.